Are you wondering if YouTube TV has the Discovery Channel? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can watch shows like Shark Week or Gold Rush on YouTube TV. If you're a fan of documentaries and reality programming, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include the Discovery Channel in its standard package. The Discovery Channel is part of the Discovery Incrin family, which also includes networks like HGTV, Food Network, and TLC, none of which are available on YouTube TV due to licensing agreements. If the Discovery Channel is essential for you, consider subscribing to services like Hulu, plus Live TV, Sling TV, or the standalone Discovery Plus app, which focuses on content from Discovery's networks. While YouTube TV offers a wide variety of entertainment, news, and sports channels, the absence of the Discovery Channel may be a downside for some viewers. If this video helped you understand the current status of the Discovery Channel on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.